Here we go, lesson 1.09, preguntas. Preguntas are questions, and just like in English, there's several ways to ask and answer questions in Spanish. For example, in English, I could say, are you tall or are you short? And I'm giving you a yes or I'm giving you a choice. You're going to say, yes, I'm tall, or yes, I'm short. I could also say, are you smart? And your answer is just going to be either a yes or a no question. So those are kind of simple ones, simple statements. But there also are question words where it's more open-ended, where I'm not giving you the choices, and you have to supply your own answer. Just like in English there's question words, in Spanish there are question words, and they are extremely important. So you should make a separate list in your binder or your folder with all of the question words as you learn them. So they're giving them to you in this lesson a few at a time. So we've got 2 question words so far. We've got quién and cómo. Quién means who, and cómo means what is he or she like in this case. Normally, cómo means how. So, ¿cómo estás? How are you? So normally, cómo means how. But in this unit, we're going to use it also as what. So what is he or she like? So these 2 questions, or all of these questions right here, are definitely going to be on your oral exam, and you will be answering these questions quite a bit. So we've got the difference between ¿Quién es el señor? Who is the man? And the answer would be, the man is my father. Or you could say, ¿Cómo es el señor? What is the man like? And then it's a different answer completely. Okay, you're going to use adjectives. So we've got both quién and cómo. Okay, so make sure you know the difference between quién and cómo. And they're asking 2 distinctly different questions. So again, you're going to go through and you're going to do the practice activity. Remember, all of this vocabulary you've already had with señor, amigo, señorita, all of those. You've had all of these adjectives, interesante, atlético. You've had all those before. So the only thing that's different is quién and cómo. You've already had the verb ser, where it's es also. So you're going to go in, you're going to do your practice activity. Make sure you print those out, or do them in a Word document and print them for your folder so that you have them. Check your answers in the work file, and then you're ready for your assessment. For your assessment, it says you're going to do one assessment. It says make up 5 questions using the 2 new question words, then answer them in complete sentences. So what you're doing is very, very similar to what you have right here. Now you cannot use these exact examples, but you're asking either who someone is and then answering it, or you're asking what they are like and then answering it. Okay? So if I wanted to say, ¿Quién es la señora? Or ¿Quién es la profesora? And then you're going to say, la profesora es señora Ola, for example. Or la señora es mi mamá. The woman is my mom. So you're going to ask questions about who, and somebody just describe who they are or what they are like, and answer those with adjectives. And you have to come up with 5 unique questions, not from the lesson, that you figured out on your own. Okay? And make sure you also answer them. And of course, as always, you're going to go under assessments in order to submit that activity. All right, thank you very much.